Hi and welcome back. Okay, so where we left off, hopefully this won't be too long, however, I'm not holding out hope. What I'm going to do is start refining the shape of this piece. So I'm going to do these ones first. Okay, because it's a case that I'm going to have to actually manually, carefully chamfer these. We don't want to chamfer it too wide. I mean, this isn't a perfectly smooth object. So just a little one there. And again, just a small chamfer amount there. Like so. Okay, just enough to kind of smooth it down like that. Okay, next we're going to take this top edge here and do the same again. Again, just start with a manual chamfer so you've got the full control of how wide you want to make that. Okay, you've got to be careful here because it's going to become a bit kind of ensconced in that piece. Okay, now a smaller chamfer. Like that. Don't over chamfer it, it's going to be very easy to do that. Okay, and we're going to take these parts here and there. Actually no, not there. We'll do a very small chamfer on that one. Okay, now I'm going to chamfer these simultaneously. Just a little bit. And a little bit more. And then I'm going to extra chamfer them as well. Because these are lovely and smooth as they come out the other end. Like that. Okay, now I can run some edge chamfers on this, which I really need to do. Before I do though, just pausing again for a second. I just want to look at this piece here. No, these pieces will be fine. Okay, so I'm taking all the edges that I want to run some edge chamfers on. Thinking carefully while you're doing it, okay? Because this is kind of a no going back procedure. Ooh, hang on. Before I do though, this piece here actually may not look that major, however I want to smooth this a lot more than that chamfer would give us. So 1, 2, then maybe a tiny little bit on top of that. Now if you look, we've got a repair job needs to be done already, because this is not, as far as I'm concerned, an optimal kind of shape. Yeah? So what I'm going to do is clean out the polygons inside this. Like that. And again, just kind of looking at the shape while I'm doing it. Okay, I'm going to target weld these pieces nice and flat. There and there. Okay, and I'll do a create just here. And then I can cap that piece at the top. And that'll be nice and flat again. Just there, okay. Okay, now, just have a quick look around, make sure I haven't messed it up somehow. No, it's fine. It's nice and smooth as well. Okay, now I'm going to use edge checks pretty much against my better judgment. However, it is a good tool when it works well, and the guy who coded it is frankly a genius. So, in order to make sure that I've got it on the right settings, I'm going to make this box, and I'm going to save this as my workbench. And I'm going to go over here to edge checks, make sure I've got it installed. Right, and I want it on standard, not advanced. Right, that's fine. So with this one, with any luck, it'll still be on standard. It is. Oh, thank the heavens. Okay, so what I can do now is just check this. I don't want to extrude it. It's quite nice though, it gives you the option to extrude, which I think is quite clever. But it's really going to do horrible things to your model. Okay, turn that off. Just want to check my face normals here, bring them down to about 30 degrees or so. Just have a look there, make sure that it's not wrecking my model. It seems to be doing okay. I'll just widen that a little bit, like so. Right, so that is the settings I've got for standard. Right, if I click advanced, let's see if it crashes. Oh, it didn't. I'm feeling the love again. Right. And again, I can change my widths in this as well. Much more complicated system though. Keep your corners quads, or keep crossing quads. And then advanced system 2. Well, will crash my system. See, this is what you do when you've been modelling for hours upon end. So here's Workbench again. Here's our unchamfered piece, and this time edge checks standard. Let's not be greedy. I'll move face normals down to about 30. To make sure I get no overlaps, because that's bad. Okay, that should be fine. If you want to be daring, we can actually chamfer on the chamfers. Which is a dangerous business by any standard. Like so. As you can see, we start to get crossing polygons when we do this. So really use that at your own risk. Anyway, I'm not going to. I can already see a couple of crashed polygons here that are going to need fixing anyway, so... Fortunately, I only need to fix one side. Delete that. Now then, get the target weld in. Get rid of that. And that. And now I can just re-bridge this. And re-bridge this. There we go. Here, 4. And as you can see, our shape is nice and smooth. There's a little bit here that I'm not especially overjoyed about, but I can actually fix this myself. If you've got a chamfer that hasn't gone all the way through, just cut to each side like so. Then manually delete your faces. Okay, I'll just target weld this piece. Is this in the middle? No, good. Target weld that piece over to there, and then it's just a case of a nice cap and fill. Okay, that's pretty much that, to be honest. Well, it's not actually, because I haven't added all the detail on, but this is our basic shape that we're going to be using in the next part. Oh, look at that. Oh dear, oh no, that's okay. You can get these all put back together again in a minute. Just doesn't do that. I didn't realise there was a one running down there, so I'll just quickly ring it and do a connect. Then I can do a cut from here all the way to here. Okay, now, oops, turn off cut. I should be able to go straight down the middle with any luck. Oh, need to do this one as well. Ain't life grand. Oh, and there's my example box as well. What-ho. Right, let's see if I can do a cut from here to here. Yes, I can. Hooray! Okay, now can I take it away? There we go. And then it's just a case of sticking symmetry on. Okay, so let's apply symmetry and rename this foot yet again. And it's about done until we add detail. Okay, just close the mirror. There we go. And unhide all. Okay, so in the next part we'll add more detail to this leg, and until then, thanks for watching. See you in the next bit. And yep, bye bye for now.